Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Meet with me again. My name is Lukman Hakim. I'm studying in a University of 17 Agustus 1945, Surabaya. Today, I'm going to be an interpreter. This is the midterm assignment for. I'm going to translate Mr. Anies Baswedan videos. He has a message for the new student. Okay, let's just watch it. I'll be translated into bahasa, right? Here we go.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It's peace upon be with you.
Salam sejahtera untuk semuanya.
The greeting of pleasure for everyone.
Teman-teman mahasiswa baru, saya
The new
menyampaikan
student.
Selamat untuk Anda.
I state congratulations to you all.
Anda memulai babak baru. Anda menjadi
You are begin with a new journey.
mahasiswa.
You
Anda
become a student.
disebut maha atas kesiswaan
You are
Anda.
called
Anda punya tanggung jawab
student
yang jauh lebih besar
you
daripada
have a responsibility.
anak muda lainnya. Di
Bigger
Indonesia
responsibility from the others than the others.
ada jutaan anak masuk SD, tapi hanya ratusan ribu yang hari ini bisa kuliah.
And in Indonesia, there are a million child that enters basic school, but only thousands who enters university.
Dan itu artinya Anda berbeda dengan yang lain.
And it means you are different with the others.
Anda adalah sekelompok anak-anak muda yang punya kesempatan untuk mengembangkan diri, untuk
you are the young group who has a chance for develop yourself,
maju, meraih masa depan,
for be a better for reach the future.
Bukan hanya untuk Anda sendiri,
not for yourself, but
untuk kemajuan republik, untuk kemajuan bangsa.
The improvement of country and the improvement for the nation.
Saya ingin berikan catatan.
And because of that, I want to give a notice.
Anda akan kuliah.
You will be in university.
Tolong jangan hanya belajar di dalam ruang kuliah.
Please don't be just learn in the classroom.
Kuliah Anda adalah di dalam ruang dan di luar ruang kuliah.
Okay. Your lesson is not only inside of class, but it's also available in outside of class.
Dua ini, kalau Anda disebut dirinya sebagai aktivis, maka jangan hanya aktivis di luar ruang kelas, tapi
the two of this. If you are called as activist, so you are not only learn in outside class, but
aktivis di dalam ruang kelas juga.
You have to be activist inside of class too.
Di sisi lain, bagi teman-teman yang ingin belajar saja, hanya di kelas saja belajarnya, Anda akan masuk rombongan yang merugi.
But in the other side, if the student only has learned just inside of the classroom, you will be as disadvantaged people.
Di ujung masa kuliah, Anda hanya keluar membawa selembar kertas bertuliskan transkrip.
And in the end of your day in university, you will be carry a transcript value, a certificate,
ijazah,
a paper of certificate.
Depan tidak bisa dibangun hanya dengan selembar kertas itu.
And the future is not building by those paper of it.
Anda harus menjadi manusia baru, lebih dari sekedar peneliti, lebih dari sekedar pengajar. Tapi
you have to be a new human, more than researcher, and more than teacher.
Harus menjadi pemimpin di Indonesia.
You have to be a leader in Indonesia.
Anak-anak muda yang kata-katanya, langkahnya bisa membuat perubahan.
A young man that has a words and a way has create improvement or change.
Dan itu artinya belajar dari sekarang.
And it means you have to learn from now.
Saya sering menganalogikan.
I often analogize it. Analogy on it.
Hidup pasca kuliah itu seperti berenang di lautan.
The life after in studying in university, it's just time like swimming.
Anda punya pilihan, mau belajar berenang saat sudah sampai ke laut, atau mau belajar berenang di kolam renang.
You have the option. Do you want to learn swimming while you in the ocean, or do you want to learn in the swimming pool?
Kalau di kolam renang, kedalamannya terukur, tekanannya terukur, suhunya terukur, arusnya terukur.
If in the swimming pool, the depth is well calculated, the temperature is well calculated, then the flow is calculated too.
Dan di sana Anda belajar berenang.
And there you learn for swimming.
Oh, Anda langsung terjun ke laut dan belajar berenang.
Or you just directly go to the ocean and learn for swim.
Risikonya agak besar.
And it has more higher the rise.
Belajar berenang di tengah lautan.
For learning in the middle of ocean.
Anda belajar berenang di kolam renang, risikonya jauh lebih terkontrol. Karena
if you learn in the swimming pool, the rise is more controllable.
Itu belajar berenang, belajar memimpin, belajar menjadi bagian dari masyarakat ketika saat kuliah.
So you have to be a leadership. You have to be a swimmer. You have to learn to be leadership in environmental.
Dan Anda bisa lihat nanti.
And you can see then.
Mereka-mereka yang banyak memberikan kontribusi buat masyarakat, mereka yang bisa berpengaruh, mereka yang bisa mendorong kemajuan adalah orang-orang yang pada masa mudanya tidak hanya menghabiskan waktu di dalam ruang kelas.
They who become influencer, they who become big part of environment are they who not only learn in the inside of classroom, but they are also learn from the outside of classroom too.
Tapi juga di luar ruang kelas. Karena itu jadilah pegiat. Jadilah anak-anak yang aktif.
So you have to be part of environmental. Be active.
Saya sering mengatakan IP yang tinggi akan mengantarkan Anda pada panggilan wawancara.
I often say that the high IP will be deliver you in interview of job.
Titik. Tapi kepemimpinan, kemampuan komunikasi, analytical thinking.
But the leadership, the skill of communication, the analytic of thinking will be deliver you.
Itu yang akan mengantarkan Anda pada masa depan.
Will deliver you in for the future.
Kalau dulu SD ke SMP Anda perlu nilai tinggi.
In the past, while you in the basic school, you want to move in the middle school, you need to have high value of certificate.
SMP ke SMA Anda perlu nilai juga untuk masuk SMA.
But when you in the middle school, then you move to high school, you need high value too.
Dan sekarang masuk di sadar, Anda harus juga punya nilai yang tinggi dari SMA.
But now you have to realize that you need to have high school high value too from the high school.
Sesudah Anda lulus kuliah, fase berikutnya Anda butuh lebih dari sekedar nilai.
But in the next phase of after university, you need more than high value.
Nilai itu penting, tapi lebih dari itu. Cuman jangan
This value is important, but it's more than that.
diartikan boleh IP rendah. Kalau IP rendah Anda dipanggil wawancara pun tidak.
But you don't interpret having less value is necessary or allow it. If you have less value, you can be called as from interview of job.
Jadi IP-nya jangan rendah, IP-nya harus tinggi. Berapa?
So the IP is don't be less. You have to get higher IP.
Minimal IP.
How much the IP standard for the minimum of IP?
Ada nyebut 3,5.
They mention for 3,
3,25.
3,
Bahkan beberapa kali
3.5.
ada nyebut nama 4. Ya cobalah sebagai
3/4, but
biar 4 boleh.
even 4 point until
Tapi
4.
kita coba lihat dalam prakteknya. Berapa target IP Anda?
In the practice, we just see.
Usul saya, mumpung Anda masih baru kuliah nih, Anda cek.
How many IP for your standard? You are just a new student, so let's check.
Kalau daftar beasiswa S2, berapa syarat IP minimalnya?
If the free value for the next level, how many IP standard for this? Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye. Thank you.